Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Windows can't connect to Wi-Fi. For today's video, we'll guide you through different troubleshooting solutions to help you resolve Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your Windows computer. We'll cover topics such as checking your Wi-Fi password, updating your Windows version, managing Wi-Fi settings, and using the network troubleshooter. So let's dive in and get your Wi-Fi up and running. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. But before we proceed to the troubleshooting solutions, the very first thing that you need to do, if you cannot connect to Wi-Fi, is to check the Wi-Fi password. A necessary step, since inputting an incorrect password is a common reason for not being able to connect. Therefore, make sure you input the correct password. Now for the first solution, restart router and modem. The very first thing that you need to do if you're having connection issues is to check the router and the modem. There are instances when the router and the modem overheats, causing the issue to occur. Restarting also helps fix the issue, as it reestablishes your Wi-Fi that could help resolve connectivity issues. The next solution is to run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Using Windows built-in Troubleshooter can help diagnose and resolve network-related issues, as it identifies and fixes problems due to incorrect configurations, faulty drivers, and conflicts with IP addresses. To fix can't connect to Wi-Fi issue, try running the Network Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then at the Run box, type the Control Panel. At the Control Panel window, make sure the View By is set to large or small icons. Next, click Troubleshooting, then click Hardware and Sound. Then click Network Adapter, then click Next. Select which network adapter you want to diagnose, then click Next. Windows will now detect problems. After troubleshooting is complete and it cannot identify any problem, click Close to exit. If there are problems found, follow the on-screen instructions. Check if you are now connected to your Wi-Fi. Now for the next solution, disable network adapter power saving settings. This solution can help fix the computer's inability to connect to Wi-Fi because it prevents the device from turning off the network adapter to save power. If the setting is enabled, it can cause the network adapter to disconnect or responsive to Wi-Fi, causing the inability to connect. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At the Run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter or click OK. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi and select Properties from the drop-down menu. Then at the Wi-Fi Properties window, click on Configure tab. Now, click on the Power Management tab. Make sure the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is not checked or unchecked to disable the setting, and then click OK to confirm the action. After performing the solution, try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. If you still cannot connect, move on to the next solution. The fourth solution is to run an SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, is a Windows tool that scans your computer for corrupt system files and repairs them if there are any. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then click Run as administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now at the command prompt windows, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for the SFC scan to complete. Once SFC scan is complete and it could not find any corrupt files, exit command prompt window and then try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. If the issue still happens to persist, please go ahead and proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to update network driver. A corrupt or outdated network adapter driver could cause network and internet-related problems. To fix this, make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At the Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at the Device Manager window, click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Now select Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, now check if you can already connect to the internet. The next solution is to update Windows. An outdated Windows may have bugs or compatibility issues that may be the culprit for the issue to occur on your computer. Updating Windows ensures you have the latest patches and fixes of the issue, which may resolve the inability to connect to Wi-Fi. First, press the Windows key or Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now select Update and Security. If you're on the Windows Update window, click the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If an update is available, click Download and Install. And then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Once the computer reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. The last solution is to call an internet service provider. If all else fails and you still cannot connect to Wi-Fi, you may need to call your local service provider, as the internet connection must be down or there are problems on their end. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.